PEB designers, also known as pre-engineered building designers, play a crucial role in the construction industry. These professionals are responsible for designing and planning the structural framework of pre-engineered buildings. One such company that specializes in PEB design and is located in BTM Layout, Bangalore is SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. SCON Design has established itself as a leading provider of PEB design solutions in the region, offering high-quality services to clients across various sectors. As PEB designers, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to every project they undertake. They understand the unique requirements of each client and strive to deliver customized solutions that meet their specific needs. With a team of experienced architects and engineers, SCON Design ensures that every aspect of the PEB design process is meticulously planned and executed. One of the key strengths of SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is their ability to seamlessly blend aesthetics with functionality. They believe that a well-designed pre-engineered building should not only be structurally sound but also visually appealing. The team at SCON Design pays great attention to detail, ensuring that every element of the design is carefully crafted to create a harmonious and visually pleasing space. Furthermore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has built a strong reputation for delivering projects on time and within budget. They understand the importance of meeting deadlines and strive to complete every project with utmost efficiency. Overall, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted name in the field of PEB design in BTM Layout, Bangalore. With their expertise, innovation, and commitment to sustainability, they have earned the trust and loyalty of clients across various industries. Whether it is designing a warehouse, factory, or commercial building, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is the go-to choice for all PEB design needs. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading firm of PEB designers located in BTM Layout, Bangalore. With a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals, SCON Design has established itself as one of the top players in the field of pre-engineered building, PEB, design. The company is renowned for its innovative and cost-effective solutions that cater to the diverse needs of its clients in the construction industry. As PEB designers, SCON Design specializes in creating efficient and sustainable building designs that are customized to meet the specific requirements of each project. They utilize advanced technology and state-of-the-art software to develop accurate and detailed designs that ensure structural integrity, durability, and safety. In addition to their expertise in PEB design, SCON Design also offers a range of value-added services to their clients. These include site analysis, feasibility